Okay. Today again, I will not be writing anything on board because I want us to visualize. I want us to think and understand kya hai. I want us to visualize. Okay. So let's start reading. Fresh minds. Let's go ahead with faculties of subtraction. Okay. Are we ready? Everybody has their textbook in their hand. Page 31. Everyone has page 31 textbook in hand. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Cool. So the first, Rihan. Okay. The first property again in subtraction also is named the same. It's called the closure property. Okay. It is called the closure property the same way that it is called in addition. In addition also we have the first property as closure property. Ranveer, don't
Yes.
keep fiddling with your phone. Leave the pen aside. Only look at the textbook. Look how Tanishka and Pranav are. They only have the textbook in their hand and they're looking at page 31. Okay. Now, the first. Oh, ho. There's so much noise coming in the background somewhere. Okay. I'm going to put people on mute, everyone, and I'm going to read it out and then I will open the mic. Okay. All right. If there is background noise around your place, please try to ignore that and focus and listen to what I am telling. Okay. All right. Now, in closure property of subtraction, what does it say? Sit up straight and hear me out clearly, okay? If A and B, we understood yesterday what A and B can stand for. It is just a name that you're giving to any number that you want to put into that sum, okay? If A and B are two whole numbers, by now we all understand what are whole numbers, okay? Such that A and B are two whole numbers such that ऐसे कि A is greater than B. अगर A और B दो whole numbers है, जैसे कि A B से बड़ा है, A is greater than B. Okay, understand the language. Math is a language. Understand the language. Or A is equal to B. A is greater than B or A is equal to B. Then A minus B is a whole number. Yes or no? If A is greater than B, Ranveer, can you give me an example of A greater than B?
Ma'am, like 32 minus 31.
I did not ask subtraction. I said, give me a number where A is something, B is something, and A is greater than B.
Okay, for example, A and B are 32 and 31. Right, 31 and 32. There will be 31. Wait.
What you said first was correct. A is 32
32
and
and
31. Yes, that was correct. Yes, everyone pay attention here, okay?
Yes.
Listen, everyone's going to get a chance to come up with examples. Yeah? So if A is 32 and B is 31, and we are giving a scene where A is greater than B. So 32 greater than 31. Okay? Now, Tanishka, you give me an example of A is equal to B. A is one number and B is one number. Now they are saying A is equal to B. Give me some example of that.
132 and 126.
Illamma, A is equal to B. A is one number and B is another number. Now what they are saying, A is equal to B. How will you put something, a number as equal to the other number? कैसे होगा वो? Think na, think, you know it. It's not possible that you don't know it. You've just not understood what I'm trying to say. I am saying A is equal to B. मतलब one number is equal to another number. तो क्या उसका example कैसे दोगे तुम?
1, 2.
Niger, Tham. I'm going to ask Vihan this question. Okay. Tanishka, listen carefully. Vihan, if I say A is equal to B, can you give me an example of that?
A is equal to B. Comes to mind.
If I say A is equal to B, matlab one number is equal to one number. What will be the example? How will you give me an example for it?
2 equals to 2 and 1 equals to 1.
Absolutely. 2 equals to 2. 1 equals to 1. Got it? Got it? All right. Now, listen carefully. If there are two whole numbers such that A is greater than B. Now, Ranveer gave an example for that where 32 is greater than 31. Okay. Now, A is equal to B. Vihan gave an example where 2 is equal to 2 or 1 is equal to 1. Then A minus B is a whole number. अब 32 minus 31 क्या आएगा? प्रणव, 32 minus 31 क्या आएगा?
1.
Okay. And if I say 2 is equal to 2 वाले example में A minus B कर दिया, मतलब 2 minus 2 कर दिया, तो what will be the answer?
0.
Is this a whole number?
Yes, 0 is the whole number.
32 minus 31, 1 आया. Is that also a whole number?
Yes.
Okay. So do we now understand that in the closure property of subtraction, what is it saying? अगर एक नंबर दूसरे से बड़ा है या एक नंबर दूसरे के साथ सेम है, तो उसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा, it is going to be a whole number. We understand that? Same was the closure property of addition as well. Addition में भी same closure property था. क्या था उसका? कि A plus B किया, मतलब एक नंबर के साथ दूसरे नंबर को add किया. Whatever result you get, that is a whole number. Similarly, in subtraction, when you subtract a number, whatever result you get is also a whole number. Now you understand the logic behind it? Tanishka, you want to ask some question, is it? Bolo.
But ma'am, in subtraction, we cannot change the number, na?
You don't have to change any number.
Ma'am,
Nobody is asking you to change any number.
no. Like this means 17 minus 15 and 15 minus 17. We cannot do like this, no?
We will get to that. Right now, we are only doing one thing at a time. And that is simple subtraction. बड़े number से छोटे number को minus किया. तो उसका answer क्या आएगा? Whole number. एक number से जो दो number जो same है मतलब 2 is equal to 2, 10 is equal to 10, 139 is equal to 139. If these two numbers are equal, then what? उसको minus किया, तो what you will get? You will still get whole number. You will get 0, which is still a whole number. Okay. Now we will read ahead. Wait, Subhan is asking something. Yes, Subhan.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
अरे बाबा, अभी तो 5 मिनट हुआ है क्लास स्टार्ट किए. You should have done this and then come, no? You should complete all this and then come to class, or no? No, tell me something. Okay. So I'm going to repeat that line again. Okay, listen carefully. If A and B are two whole numbers such that A is greater than B or A is equal to B, then A minus B is a whole number. Now we all understood? Kids, the reason I'm not writing it on the board is because I want you to visualize the numbers and think. आगे के classes में I'll write it on the board, but I want you to think the numbers. सब कुछ सामने सामने देख देख के ऐसे नहीं करना है. You've got to also understand maths यहाँ से. Okay? तो आंखें बंद करो तो नंबर आमने सामने ऐसे घूमते रहना चाहिए. Then you'll be able to relate to it. You can start feeling it. Okay? The result is a whole number, or the subtraction results in the whole numbers only when the number to be subtracted from is greater than or equal to the other number. Basically, they are saying the same thing. तो अगर एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से subtract करना है, So the other number has to be greater than it or equal to. Correct? Can we do 2 minus 5? Everybody tell me. Can we do 2 minus 5?
Does not exist.
Does
Does
not
not exist.
exist. किसी ने तो read किया है. Somebody has done reading. 2 minus 5 does not exist. Correct? Because हम बड़े नंबर से ही छोटे नंबर को निकाल सकते हैं. 10 एप्पल रहेगा तो I can give 5 apples to somebody. I have to give 5 apples to somebody. I only have 2. How will I give? Can I give? I can't. Right? So, Vihan. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So now let's go to the example that's given in the box over there. Okay. It says suppose A is 17 and B is 15. Then simply put 17 minus 15, which is A minus B. क्या है? Whole number.
2 whole number.
Whole number. Now, if A is 89 and B is 98, 89 minus
Does not exist.
obviously, छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. So does not exist.
Not a whole number. Result will
Not
be
a whole number. You have now understood the closure property. Now let's go to the favorite Pranav's favorite communicative property. Correct, Pranav? Communicative, no? No, what is it then? What is it then?
communicative.
See? Communicative only. I knew you was going to say communicative.
Commutative.
Commutative.
Hello, Pranav. Hello.
Vihan, are we supposed to talk between each other and greet when class is going on? We've already done that at the start of the class, right? Yeah. So let's see here. Now again, I'm going to put all of your mics on silent. So you pay attention only to what I'm saying. See kids, what happens in a real classroom, no? When we sit in a school classroom, teacher can close the door and make sure there is silence around, right? If you all are talking in between, teacher will typically say, please abhi band baat karo. But abhi ghar mein ho, to kya hota hai? There is a lot of background noise and kabhi network bhi na grrr awaaz karta hai. So just to cut off all that noise, I'm putting you on mute. Okay? So you can pay absolute attention to what I am saying. Here we go. Only listen to what I'm saying. You don't have to talk anything. Have some questions, keep it here. Commutative property. Don't bite your nails. Commutative property. If A and B are two whole numbers, then in general, A minus B will not be equal to B minus A. Ranveer, you are losing focus. Ranveer, you are losing focus. Look here. If A and B are two whole numbers, okay? Now think about it. Now I'm going to come with this example to one of you. If A and B are two whole numbers, then A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Pranav, can you give me an example of this?
Ma'am, 22, 23.
Okay. Give it to me in that same format that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. How will you explain that?
A is 21, 22 and B is 23.
A minus B re baba. What number should be bigger?
Ma'am, 23.
So what should be A? अगर A minus B करना है तो A क्या होना चाहिए A का value?
23.
Correct. Don't make this mistake. See, don't go in the sequence, okay? 21, 22, 23, 24. ऐसे sequence में मत जाओ. Remember that you're doing subtraction. So the bigger number has to always be first. Otherwise, your result will be does not exist. Yes or no? If you're going to subtract, छोटे number में से बड़ा number subtract करोगे, तो your result will be what? Does not exist. Always remember. Okay. Now, Pranav, if I have to give example of A minus B is not equal to B minus A, what will it be?
Ma'am, it will be 32 and 4.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, is equals 28.
Okay. Okay, I don't
Ma'am,
think you understand. Okay, I will explain it.
and B is B minus A. 4 minus 32 does not exist.
Arey, wow, good, good, good. You understood, you understood. Very good. Correct, correct, correct. Yes, Ranveer, you would also like to give an example?
Ma'am, like 32 minus 28
Hmm.
exists,
Hmm.
and 28 minus 18 does not exist.
Correct. But here, what are they exactly saying? Here, they are exactly saying A has a value and B has a value. Suppose I'm going to give A ka value as 8. Okay. And I am giving B ka value as 2. Okay. So A minus B will be 8 minus 2. Correct? हाँ कि नहीं?
6.
हाँ? A
Yes.
minus B will be 8 minus 2. So A minus B. B को minus किया तो क्या आया? 6. Now if I have to do B minus A, B is 2.
No.
B minus A है ही नहीं. Right? B अगर 2 है
Does not
and
exist.
A is 8, वो तो है ही नहीं. So B minus 8 will not be equal to A minus B. You understood that point now? Why it says not equal to? Not just because of the answer, but because of the logic behind it. Answer मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, तुम आंसर के पीछे मत भागो. Steps देखो, क्या procedure है उसको देखो. Look at the procedure to be followed. Okay? So A minus B will not be equal to B minus A. We understand this? Okay. I'll repeat.
So, ma'am, you are saying that 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 minus 4 does not exist.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now I'm going to read that line once again. If A and B are two whole numbers, then in general, A minus B will not be equal to B minus A. We understand this now? Why do we understand this? Tanishka, don't keep looking at your face on the screen. Look at my face on the screen. Okay. Or if A and B are two whole numbers and A minus B is equal to C is a whole number, then either A is greater than B or A is equal to B. अब इसमें थोड़ा सा सोचो. Okay? अगर हमारा रिजल्ट जो आया है, जो आंसर आया है, वो एक होल नंबर है, तो either the greater number minus smaller number has been done, or two equal numbers have been subtracted from each other. Did you understand what I'm saying? Did you all catch what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, all are saying thumbs up. I'll go to the examples and I'll just see if you've got it. Now, if you see in that box, वो जो columns है, वो box जो है उसमें A whole number. Tanishka, leave the phone, re Baba. You look at the book, no. Okay. One whole number A is given as 9. The other whole number B is given as 11. Okay. Now they are saying 9 minus 11 does not exist. But 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So B minus A is a whole number and A minus B does not exist. Okay. This is why A minus B is not going to be equal to B minus A. Okay. Simple. 11 minus 9 cannot be equal to 9 minus 11. No. 8 minus 2 cannot be equal to 2 minus kidhar hai 8. 8 kidhar hai? Cannot be done. Okay. See the second example. A is given as 79 and B is given as 57. So what is it saying? 79 minus 57, which is A minus B, is 22. Yes. Whole number? Yes, whole number. 57 minus 79 क्या है? 57 minus 79 हो ही नहीं सकता है. So that does not exist. Now that is the subtraction का commutative property. Okay. Now I'm going to open up your mics and I'm going to share something very important. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pranav.
ma'am, I didn't understand that the result of
Of which
commutative
one?
property.
Okay, I will explain. Okay. In addition का commutative property, what did we learn? कि 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2. Okay, हमने ये सीखा कि A plus B is equal to B plus A. तुम 2 के साथ 3 ऐड करोगे तो भी 5 ही आएगा. तुम 3 के साथ 2 ऐड करोगे तो भी 5 ही आएगा. Commutative मतलब you are doing that addition or the subtraction or whatever that sign it is. Addition कर रहे हो या subtraction कर रहे हो, जो भी sign कर रहे हो is commutative. You are doing that sum. So in addition what happens? 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. Doesn't matter, उसका result में कोई change नहीं आएगा. But subtraction में 3 minus 2 will be 1, but 2 minus 3 नहीं हो सकता है. Correct? In subtraction, that is all that they are saying. Nothing more. You just have to understand that बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर को subtract कर सकते हैं तो एक result आएगा, and दो equal numbers को हम subtract कर सकते हैं तो भी एक result आएगा जो 0 है. Tanishka,
Both are whole.
saying both are whole numbers. Correct, Pranav? Ranveer, if you stop fiddling with the pen, it will be good for you. You can understand it much better. वो pen तुम्हें छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. Okay? So in commutative property with addition, you do 4 plus 2 or you do 2 plus 4. The answer will be the same.
Same.
But in commutative property of subtraction, you do 4 minus 2, you will get a result, which is a whole number. But can you do 2 minus 4? No, you cannot.
That's not
Commutative property of subtraction ऐसे और वैसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. एक ही तरीके
So we will write the answer. A minus B is the whole number, no?
Depends upon what is the value of A and what is the value of B. अगर A का value छोटा है, अगर A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4, then 2 minus 4 will not exist.
Then B minus A is equals whole number.
Correct. You have to always check कि A का value क्या दिया है, B का value क्या दिया है. You must always check the value that's given to that letter. Okay? Suppose Pranav is a boy, Tanishka is a girl. Okay? So what I have done, I have given the name and I have associated a value with it. Okay? मैंने उसके साथ एक value add कर दिया कि प्रणव करके एक नाम है, वो boy है. तनिष्का करके एक name है, वो girl है. Okay? तो तुम बोल सकते हो कि हाँ boy ये है और girl ये है. But अगर मैंने बोला कि तनिष्का करके जो है वो एक्चुअली बॉय है एंड प्रणव करके जो है वो एक्चुअली गर्ल है, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अलग अलग वैल्यू दिया है. करेक्ट? आई हैव चेंज्ड द वैल्यू. सो यू मस्ट ऑलवेज चेक व्हाट वैल्यू इज असाइन्ड टू दैट लेटर. तुम जो सोच रहे हो वो नहीं करना है, वहां पे क्या लेटर का वैल्यू दिया है प्रणव, उस वैल्यू पे ध्यान देना है. If A is the smaller number and B is the bigger number, don't think A minus B हो सकता है just because the book says A minus B हो सकता है. Check that column that's written there. First example क्या दिया है? A is the smaller number, B is the bigger number. See, can you do A minus B over there? Children, you all are looking here and there.
No, ma'am.
Look at the first column where it says A ka value is 9 and B ka value is 11. Although in the example on the explanation they have said A minus B and B minus A and all that. But see what value has been given. A ka chota value hai and B ka bada value hai.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So you must see what value is associated with that. Okay? Now, identity property of 0. If A is any whole number, then A minus 0 is equal to A. Now, Tanishka, give me an example. A is any whole number and A minus 0 is equal to A.
132 minus 0.
132 is a whole number and 132 minus 0 is
Whole number.
0.
0 or 132? Tell me the answer.
132.
क्योंकि 0 भी whole number है. So you can't say the answer is a whole number. You have to give the actual value of that answer. Okay? But 0 minus A is not defined. 0 minus 132 हो सकता है? Can there be a 0 minus 132? Ranveer, look here. Ranveer, the explanation is happening in the screen in front of you, not on the side. Subhan, is something happening on your lap? Yeah. Okay. So when you see that example in that box, what is it saying? A is a whole number, which is 61. The other whole number is 0. So A minus 0 is possible. 61 minus 0 will be a whole number. But 0 minus 61, not defined. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Understood? Let's go to the fourth property. Associative property. Now,
Associate.
in the addition one, if you remember, किस जो bracket में है उसको पहले करना है. Correct?
Yes.
Bracket में से उसको पहले बाहर निकालना है. उसके बाद you will do whatever has to be done with the rest of it. Okay? So what is written? If A, B and C are 3 whole numbers, then A minus B in bracket minus C will not be equal to A minus bracket में B minus C. See this. See this example given here. A is 7, B is 4, C is 1. Vihan, look at the example. Vihan, look at your textbook. There's no need to keep looking at everyone on the screen. Look at the textbook. Now, what is given in the first association in bracket? A minus B is in a bracket, minus C. काय yawn करते का तनिष्का खरच. A minus B is in a bracket, minus C. तो क्या हुआ? 7 minus 4 को bracket में डाला, minus 1 लिखा. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. The answer is 2. Now see when the bracket moves to another number. Ranveer, you're not going to understand it doing it on your own later, I'm telling you. Subhan, you also. तुम लोगों को इधर उधर ध्यान देना है तो बाद में मत बोलना कि समझ में नहीं आया. जब एक्सप्लेन किया जा रहा है नहीं, सिर्फ बुक हाथ में लेके बैठने से तुम्हारा दिमाग वहां पे नहीं रहेगा. You have to look at it and listen to what I'm explaining.
I am seeing on textbook only.
The second example given in association is A minus bracket में B minus C. Now what happens? 7 minus bracket में 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 7 minus 3, 4. क्या दोनों का रिजल्ट सेम था? नहीं. बट एडिशन में क्या था? तुम कुछ भी ब्रैकेट में इधर उधर डालो तुमको सेम आंसर ही आएगा. बट सब्ट्रैक्शन में ऐसा नहीं. That is why it is not equal. Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, we cannot take B outside from the bracket.
No, it's not about what you can or you can't. That sum will already be given. You just have to prove in the steps that this will not be equal. So, when you start to substitute step by step, which we will do in our next coming classes, you will understand how to write it so you show that they are not equal. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't understand that. We can means how we can do A bracket A minus B bracket minus C. That kind of we can do 7 minus bracket minus bracket is equal to 4. But we cannot do like this now. B minus A.
No, you will always
No.
subtract the bigger number from the smaller number, no? Sorry, you will always look to keep the bigger number first and the smaller number later to subtract, no?
Ma'am.
Pranav.
And like this also not do na. B minus bracket A minus C bracket.
तनिष्का, A, B, C मैं कैसे भी लिख सकती हूँ. तुम क्या स्टेप यूज करोगे उसमें उससे फर्क पड़ता है. ब्रैकेट को पहले सॉल्व करना है, तभी you will understand the rest of the answer. Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, if there is a 12, 13, 14, ma'am, so what we will do?
If they are going to give A minus B minus C, okay, then they will not give you the sum as 12, 13, 14. They'll give it as 14, 13, 12. Okay, understood? Because you have to subtract. Sorry, kya?
Then minus bigger.
Sorry, what did you say?
Ma'am, there will be no sums for this question, ma'am. So smaller minus bigger.
Then what you will write? अगर small number से बड़ा number minus करना है, what you will write? Yeah. But you have to substitute and see it properly. Okay? You have to do the correct substitution. All right? Okay. Ranveer, you had some question. What is it?
Yes. What is that sign like this? That 2, that sign and 4, the last one.
अच्छा, equal to के बीच में cut. Yeah, that
Yes,
is not equal to. If you only put equal to, it will be 2 equal to 2. Now what they are saying, although you are using the same 3 numbers, they are saying that the result will not be equal. Okay, that's what they are saying in the last column. That although you are using the same 3 numbers, the result is not going to be equal. So they are saying 2 is not equal to. Equal to डाल के बीच में cut डाला, across slant line डाला, so it will mean not equal to. So they are saying, although you are doing 7 minus 4 minus 1, the brackets will define what you solve first. Therefore, the result may not be the same. That's what they are trying to tell you. Okay? Chalo, we will stop maths here now. I don't want you all to solve any homework in this. Today is Wednesday. I will be giving you all some homework later on, but it will not be from this. I will give you some very simple sums to solve. Okay? I will make those sums and I will send it to you later.
Okay, ma'am.
Take a 2-minute break. Take a 2-minute break. Come back for biology. Bye-bye.